Manipur observes Vijay Divas Day. Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren blames time-pass attitude for mushrooming of issues in the state. Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren declares that national and international films will be screened at MSFDS Hall every Saturdays and Sundays. And the representatives of Peace and Development Coordinating Committee, Kundrakam constituency, withdraws the blocking of Impal Cycle Road after signing an agreement with CEPWD officials. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Vijay Divas is celebrated all across India to commemorate the military victory of India over Pakistan, liberating Bangladesh in the Indo-Pakistan War on December 16, 1971. Government of Manipur also commemorated the day today. Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, Council of Ministers, Chief Secretary, DGP, Advocate General, and many top government officials attended the celebration held at the banquet hall of the 1st Manipur Rifles Battalion. Addressing the event, Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren appeals to stand united when in any issue of the state or the country arises. On the other hand, Biren stated that insincerity in the administration of the government in the state for a long time is the root cause of all the problems in the state. He maintains that there is not a single district in the state where people get full democratic rights. Biren stated that the negligence, time-pass temperament of the government officials, lack of love for the motherland caused the demographic imbalance, influx of the foreigners, and resulting in a line permit issues. Speaking on the issue of the ongoing students issue, Biren said the students in the state have less amount of time for studies and as such advised the students to give importance and concentrate on their studies. He also appeals to the parents to look after their children and refrain them from agitating blindly. Biren asserted that the present BJP-led government is working with commitment towards bringing a visible change in Manipur. He also said that the government is working to fulfill the desires of the people without delay.
Ekoi maskal gi marakta chap manaba wakhal tama leiragadi mapan gi force thengnabasi amna very easy to fight the outsider. Khwaidagi ekoi the threats major threats divisions within political differences magi tongan ba ideologies laigani, but when the issues comes about the nations and the state ekoi madai da ekoi gi differences mayam se ekoi manung da ekoi gi mod manada ba leirabal da masi mayam da khangan batahan ohun basi phatte manung da lotion gidum aina mi ama da nganga da language da ma nungai roi ko or aingon da mana singanga de ai nungai roi ko hebgi wasi khallaga aina ngangdragadi mi du su aingon da sauroi.
Taking part at the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar said the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971 has a historical significance in Indian Republic. India liberated Bangladesh in the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. He said that there is still threat of war in various states of India, including Manipur, incited by external forces. Joy Kumar said it is inevitable to face such issues unitedly.
In 1971 ki India Pakistan war hagadra liberation war of Bangladesh hagadra line ngambagi ningsing benumit oina adumai tona koina masi si observe tabuni line asi Bharat ki damakta di yamna maru oiba adugumba line pham amani ningsing ba sigi mamangda karamba India ki film je karmai tong lerumge habida west desu hojik leiba Pakistan ji dagi trade east from desu matamdugi east Pakistan hojikna Bangladesh Highway Sidgisu trade. Trade asida Quaidigi and trade legacy, Karamba, area no habitat, Northern the labor, state singing, Quaidigi, Matam de Lemibisi.
Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren has declared that the state government is making all-out efforts to screen films at the hall of Manipur State Film Development Society every Saturdays and Sundays to give the people of Manipur and Manipuri film a new turn of life. Biren was speaking at the 9th and 10th Manipur State Film Awards 2017 ceremony organized by Manipur State Film Development Society at Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium, Palace Compound today. Speaking further, Chief Minister Biren asserted that the BJP-led state government is making efforts to give a peaceful and relaxing lifestyle to the people of the state. He asserted that the Imphal Evening, initiated by his government, is able to give at least a moment of joy and relaxation for the people in the state. The Chief Minister declared that various inspiring national and international films will be screened for the people. He also assured that his government will strive its best to promote the state's film industry. Biren blames the mistakes of the past for the current upheavals in the state. Speaking at the event, Arts and Culture Minister L. Jayanta expressed discontentment that despite being new in the film industry, Manipuri films, L. Jayanta expressed happiness that despite being new in the film industry, Manipuri films have carved its name by producing various films recognized at the national and international level. The minister expressed that the state government, along with the support from the people, will strive for promoting the state's films. Gifts were presented to renowned persons who have made excellent contributions in the film industry, including both Manipuri feature and non-feature films. MSFDS also presented its Lifetime Achievement Awards at the event.
अनु सरकार ने कशु खंद्रिब ngakne koi adu yam kanna praja na kari pamige hebe wakalon du tasal lerga lobsal lerga koi leibak si unun balangari mayam ki cooperation darkar lai mai tha de da na takti wa hebe ne koi na mai han tha bje kitane koi da thamoi su film development ki committee lebi be association societies Sigi executive committee duga amukdang ay marup jenta ka torokanda kari akhuina tawbo ngamba lege kari contribution torokanda life si fazina mayam si karmaina kano secure lege dage haiba na chingbodo madu khanasi government gi side gi matam punamakta mayam gi sugumba mayam si gi mating pangjana ba khoi leibuni.
District Legal Services Authority DSLA Imphal West opened a legal aid clinic at Pakangba Community Hall, Langthabal Kunja, Awang Laikai today. A one-day legal awareness program was also held at the opening of the clinic. Taking part at the event, the District and Session Judge at DSLA Imphal West, M. Manoj Kumar said the clinic is the 18th clinic opened in Imphal West District with an objective to raise awareness on laws under the Indian Constitution to the people. He said the people of Langthabal Kunja can raise complaints when they face problems at the newly opened clinic. The clinic, comprising of 8 volunteers, will solve small cases without approaching the court of law.
Sigi Kanslava Kunjana Kolive area Singasi Ladiba, public Mayam Sigi, Kariguma Hek Kudong Chada Lakam Batamda, Makoi Clinic Asida report away, Clinic Asina, Namimake Makoya, Brazama Mayam meditation Torogam Way Section Honaba, Court Yoting Ida, Lady Problem Sama Sasing say, Lam Zagasing is the Queen of Soap on the Honavan, the girl conditioning the Toribasi, the Queen of Maru, but Quiki Pandamdi, the girl Evanis Bazar Piba, Amasung, Bazamiam Singasida, Logi, Karigumba, Hek Pum Lakwada, Mipu Kudimakta. Some money, Pashagi or Baleroy, hyperpure machine.
In an unfortunate incident, a man identified as Lystrom Bimol, 46 years, from Hairok Part 2, Pujari Chitek, was found hanging around 10 last night. He is survived by 3 children, including 2 sons and a daughter. Reason behind his death is still unknown. The death body has been taken to Rims Morgue by the police. District Election Officer Bishnupur organized a district-level written quiz competition at the Hall of Mini Secretariat Complex, Bishnupur, today in connection with the National Election Quiz Inter-School Contest. The competition was held on the theme, The Importance of Electoral Participation in Nation Building. Speaking on the occasion, District Election Officer Bishnupur, Bobby Wycombe, reminded that the voting age in the country is 18 years. He appeals to all the people to exercise their voting franchise to strengthen democracy. He also distributed prizes to the winners of the quiz competition. Acting on a tip-off, a combined team of 5 Jammu and Kashmir rifles under 9 Sector Assam rifles and Lilong police, along with the help of a local anti-drug organization, ALADA, that is All Lilong Anti-Drug Association, and a women organization, ASPO, Anti-Social Prevention Organization, conducted cordon and search operation in Lilong, Haurebi, Makhalekai, and in the house of the suspected arms and drugs dealer, Muhammad Abdul Manan, alias Amir Khan, 23 years. During the operation, 3 males and 1 female involved in drug dealing were apprehended. The 3 males are identified as Muhammad Abdul Manan, alias Amir Khan, 23 years, Irishat, and a juvenile, while the woman is identified as Olivia from Senapati. She was in possession of 68,950 rupees cash and had come all the way from Senapati to buy drugs from the house of Muhammad Abdul Manan, alias Amir Khan. All 4 of them had confessed that they were involved in drug dealing. During the search, 1 non-prohibited bore shotgun modified DBBL without license, 25 grams of number 4 drug heroin, 2,014 pieces of WY tablets, 19 SP capsules, 8 small containers containing suspected number 4 drug weighing approximately 16 grams were also recovered from the house of Muhammad Abdul Manan, alias Amir Khan. All accused along with the seized items were booked at Lilong police station. However, the juvenile was warned and released. Acting on a tip-off, Narcotics and Affairs of Border Police Station arrested a person with WY tablet from an Imphal to Guwahati interstate passenger bus bearing registration number MN012145 on December 14. The arrested person is identified as Muhammad Nazir Hussain, 30 years, son of Muhammad Hamidullah from Irengban, Sora Maninglekai. 6,000 pieces of WY tablets worth around 3 lakh rupees in local market were seized from him. A case has been registered against Nazir at Narcotics and Affairs of Border Police Station. Meanwhile, Kaching District Police arrested a drug peddler from a pan-cum grocery shop during a search operation on December 14. The arrested person is identified as Muhammad Ali Muddin, 60 years, son of late Muhammad Nizamuddin from Sora Maninglekai. PRO Manipur Police Department said a case has been registered at Kaching Police Station. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, KADA, Bishnupur District Committee, KADA, Tronglaubi Unit and Moirang Police jointly conducted a drive at Tronglaubi in Bishnupur District yesterday as part of their initiatives to ban use and sale of intoxicants in the state. The team seized 10 liters of country liquor, 20 tin of under-processed country liquor, 2,000 pieces of hamay, an ingredient used to brew country liquor, and other items used in the process of brewing during the drive. The seized items were later destroyed in front of Moirang Police Station. BJP Manipur Pradesh in a press release condoles the demise of Ashok Kumar from Brahmapur Bhagyapati Lekai on December 15. He was a former General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh and had faced the election twice as the party's candidate in Hyanglam constituency and was also a former executive editor of monthly journal Thambal Lenam. Meitei Indigenous Thangta and Cultural Institute, MITTACI, IPAC Films Production Manipur and NH53 Kanglei Chingtam Lemalup, NHKAI Kanglei Park, Nungshikol Park and Lamdeng Lai Khurembi Seva Committee in a press release appeals the concerned authority for relaxation on the ban imposed on organizing Singju Festival by Singju Yokatpalup SYOL Manipur at Lamdeng Makhalekai Lampak in Lamshang Assembly Constituency. Now it's time for a small commercial break. Coming up after the break, we have reports on withdrawal of blocking of roads in protest against the non-repair of Imphal Cycle Road by Peace and Development Coordinating Committee PDCC, Kundrakpam Constituency. We will be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Peace and Development Coordinating Committee PDCC Kundrakpam has withdrawn blocking of roads after its representatives met the Additional Chief Engineer 3 and EEIE at CEPWD office this evening and signed an agreement to start repairing Imphal Cycle roads by coming Monday. It may be mentioned that the representatives of PDCC Kundrakpum constituency blocked the unattended Imphal Cycle Road since early this morning. The committee had appealed to the state government to repair the road by December 15. However, no repair works were taken up, and therefore the committee proceeded with blocking of the road at Sagolmang, Ishika, Pukhao, Iranfam, Yumnam, Khunau, Chingku, Sambay, Kundrakpam, Pangay, and Waiton Lamkai. Upon getting information on the situation, a large number of police personnel and paramilitary personnel arrived and tried to halt the blocking of road. Scuffles broke out between the agitators and police at Chingku, and police had to resort to tear gas shells. Speaking at the sidelines, the General Secretary of PDCC, Thaudam Hemjit, earlier told media persons that the previous government was approached to repair the road, and later a work order was issued on May 24, 2016 for the same.
Lairiba Prajasin Warban, Sugam Pium Sova, Sugam Awaban and Alazuka Hani, local Emile, Bokotobuki Pium Bolakwe, Loina, Hosiki Lan authorized Ogiba, Lan Wawa, the Pichalaga, Hosbabution, River Prajasin, Anangaliba, Oana Nangaliba, Sugum, contacted Mangas, Sigi Matakta, Sarkana, Mojing, Sumbu Wawa, shooter, Matamduki engineer, the Labour Department, Maryland, Punama, suspend over the money Habisima, I call you humble our apple. Let me example of the Center Guinea. Yama, the Lambiz Tokakani. I quite said the swear. Senior Hajani, Tikada, Sinjo, Pintogeri, Department of Kana Hajari, Tabak Sembi, Sembiro, I quite have the center of Pamjatri. I come a Kong, Chi Pangay, Simaraximayam Sueco, the Kundakumasang, your prayer, the Akoyuman, the hotel pelware. Sinku, I remember Pamjati, Ahoyimamang, had taken Newell Sako, the Angang, Mam, just see the book talk Rabani. I do know Kang, then I quit accident, I don't toy Silambis. Ambition you.
All Manipur VDF Welfare Association warned of intense agitations if the monthly salary of Village Defence Force VDF personnel who perform similar duties as Manipur Police and Security Force is not increased by the state government by December 25. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, President of the association, Laisram Devan, said that the VDF personnel performing almost the same duties as the Manipur Police personnel are given altogether only 7,000 rupees, including monthly salary of 6,000 rupees and ransom money of 1,000 rupees, not to forget the income tax levied on the salary. He highlighted the plights of the VDF personnel and urged the state government to implement the 7th pay commission for them. He urged the government to look into the concern latest by December 25.
Seven page na basida akhoi BDF singi oiba akhoi tangusuna ba kusuman hengat pidragadi akhoi na yam puthana lehorani habasi akhoi association gi side gi thamjari akhoi gi batale lam la hemyu haiba BDF singi oiba akhoi gi ngasi bokta tawri ba thabak natraga akhoi gi awa BDF singa wari ba khuding maksi lairi ba akhoi gi officer mayam jina thawa sana maru oina khanbi da ba akhoi gi wakat pham leita ba sumba wakat pham leita ba sina maram oiraga akhoi gi tongan ba akhoi gi batale lam leragadi akhoi gi wakat pham du akhoi tabi gani ade wakat pham leigani khalaga kho swai to na koi government da khoi tungan ba batalam thambi wala sitaksan ba.
All Manipur Muslim Students Organization and Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization have imposed ban on the observance of Minority Rights Day to be held on 18th of this month, organized by Manipur State Minority Commission. The ban is being imposed against the invitation of Forest and Environment Minister Thaunojam Shamkumar to be the chief guest at the observance. Speaking to media persons at MMWO head office Hatta, president of the organization said Abdullah Pathan said the former government gave order to construct hostel and Muslim hostels in Imphal East District under Multi-Sectorial Development Program 2015-16. However, the then Congress MLA, Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shamkumar constructed the hostel in his own constituency. Various Muslim organizations also protested on this account. He said it is unreasonable to invite Minister Shamkumar, who violated the rights of Muslim minority, as the chief guest of the Minority Rights Day.
Ngami hayu mataru minority singi wakat tabi ramdana minority Christian ni habidi maiti Christian ni haba yum mari khaklai area da puraga sakhiba adum laba mishat aduna matau karamna hairiba minority rights day gi thorum masida CBS ko hembiribno hairiba minority rights day se masida Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization all Manipur Muslim Student Organization amsona tasegna masibu saruk yaroi minority miyam na sumaroina maiti fangal singa saruk yabigano angal singi karapa MLA ahummak hairiba thakjal asida yawa yaroi karigumba hairiba MLA ahum asina yawiba taragadi masi minority gi singi mayok leiba amadi minority gi interest khangbidaba MLA singi haino tasegna lupani asina lawjagani.
A 22-member team of Shiv Sena Manipur state units led by its president Morangtem Tombi will leave for Mumbai to meet the top leaders of Shiv Sena to discuss on the issues of the framework agreement, which has caused much apprehension and hiatus in the state's peace and harmony. Addressing media persons, president of Shiv Sena Manipur state unit Morangtem Tombi said the team will urge to put forward the issues of the framework agreement during the special session of this ongoing winter session of the parliament, which began yesterday. He further stated that the MPs will be appealed to raise the concern for the full disclosure of the framework agreement to the public during this winter session of the parliament. All Manipur Unemployed Electrician Association Manipur celebrated its 4th Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club today. Speakers at the event spoke on the hardships facing the unemployed electricians and their role in the society. President of Akom Loop Kanglei Park, Ketrimayim Somendro, proprietor of KP Industries L. Kishan, and editor of Kangla Pao, P. Ibocha were among those present at the event. The closing function of the two-day seminar on export promotion, marketing and design development for comprehensive development of northeastern handicrafts was held at the Convention Hall of Moray Trade Center today. Export Promotion Council for Handicrafts and also supported by Ministry of Textiles, Government of India under NERTPS scheme and Office of the Development Commissioner Handicrafts organized the seminar. Senior staff of Marketing and Service Extension Center and Nipamacha spoke on the initiative and scheme of development Commissioner Handicrafts, while Mr. Salam Ratan Kumar spoke on design development of goods and marketing. 40 women from various parts of Moray of different communities participated at the function. The 4th death anniversary of late Sambanduram Nandakishore Sahitya Awardee was observed at Sambanduram complex in Wangjing, Sorokhaibam Lekai today. Late Sambanduram Nandakishore was presented the Sahitya Award for his book translated in Hindi entitled Kari Mangkre Kari Phankre in 2012. Floral tributes were paid at his portrait and Kavi Sammelan was also held at the event. The 5th round of audition for the 2nd Mitei Chanu contest organized by Lining Thau Sanamahi Sanapung LSSP was held on Sumang White Teiba at Ibuthau Sanamahi Kolu Tugaipam in Wangoi today. Altogether, 35 contestants are taking part in the beauty contest for the Mitei community entitled the Mitei Chanu contest. Grand finale of the beauty contest will be held on December 23 at Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre, Palace Compound. In today's audition, participants competed on Mitei community's tradition of Shumang Thelon Waiteiba. Catwalk competition will be held in the 6th round of the audition at Nagamapal, Kangjabi tomorrow. All Manipur Students Union MSU said that a 45 days free revision class for students appearing in Class 12 examination 2018 will be held at Johnstone Higher Secondary School from December 18. MSU in a press release said that interested students can collect application form from its office on DM College campus. Ketrimayum Premdas from Manipur has been selected for the prestigious National Youth Award 2015-2016 by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. Ketrimayum Premdas, 23 years, son of Ketrimayum Chauba from Kairem Bikok Awanglekai, a member of Kairem Bikok Students Union and Club, was selected for the prestigious National Youth Award 2015-16 by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, for his contribution towards community services. The prestigious award presentation ceremony will be held at Jaipur, Rajasthan during the National Youth Festival from January 11 to January 17, 2018. The award carries 50,000 rupees in cash, a medal, a shawl and a citation. Ketrumayum Premdash was a recipient of National Service Scheme NSS Award Manipur University 2015 and State Youth Award 2016. And now news from the world of sports. NC Club Khongampat and Anoba Imagi Mangal Khabam Lamkhai have entered the semi-final of the 8th Shahid Manoranjan Singh Memorial CRPF State Open Football Tournament. In the first quarter-final played today, NC Club Khongampat's H. Dayananda and N. Suresh netted 1 goal each in the 47th and 60th minute respectively and beat Neroka FC Sangakpham 2-1. While in the second quarter-final match, Anoba Imagi Mangal Khabam Lamkhai beat MTFC Laimakong by 3-1. Anoba Imagi Mangal Khabam Lamkhai's player Muhammad Akbar made a hat-trick by scoring 3 goals in the 62nd, 78th and 90th minutes of the match. Altogether, 16 football clubs are taking part in the tournament organized by Group Center CRPF and Imphal West Football District Association in association with AMFA, IG Manipur and Nagaland Sector CRPF on a round of 16 knockout basis. SSU Singjamei and Trau Kwakaitel will face each other in the third quarter-final, while Klasa Kaino and DM Rao Awang Sekmai will face each other in the fourth quarter-final match at Kumanlampak Artificial Turf Ground tomorrow. Sahai Winter Sports 2017, which commenced on December 11 at Jangmunthang Playground in Sahai Village under More Subdivision in Technopol District, concluded today. SP Technopol Dr. S. Ibomcha, representatives of Kuki Chiefs Association and many people in the area attended the closing day of the sports event. In the final match played on the closing day today, Sinlung FC beat Maujang FC by 3-1. SP Dr. S. Ibomcha gave financial assistance to the players as an encouragement. Kerala Blasters beat North East United 1-0 to register their maiden win in the ongoing 4th Indian Super League 2017-18 football tournament. In the match played yesterday at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Kerala, Kerala Blasters CK Vinit netted the winning goal in the 24th minute of the match. Delhi Dynamos will meet Goa in another league match of the tournament at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Delhi tonight at 8. President of Manipur Olympic Association and former cabinet minister of the previous Congress-ruled state government, I. Hemochandra, has been selected as member in the Executive Council of the Indian Olympic Association. He was selected for the post at an annual general body meeting held for selection of new executive members of IOA for a term of 4 years on December 14 in New Delhi. Dr. Narendra Dhruv will be the new president of IOA. Manipur Olympic Association congratulated I. Hemochandra on being selected as the executive member of IOA. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur observes Vijay Divas Day. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren blames a time-pass attitude for mushrooming of issues in the state. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren declares that national and international films will be screened at MSFDS Hall every Saturdays and Sundays. And the representatives of Peace and Development Coordinating Committee Kundrakam constituency withdraws blocking of Imphal Cycle Road after signing an agreement with CEPWD officials.